Video 696 of the Atomic Ivy MMO source code documentation. Let's get into it. In the ARTGIRL shader strings within shader number 8, which is the bombs for Josh shader, inside the main entry point within the let the motherfucker burn loop, which is the data selection loop for our Fada tiles. If we scroll down here, we see the what's my fire tile section, and within here we are now tinting the explosion animation depending on the V16 value. Now there are some footnotes here. For example, this 0x7 is wrong. Eventually we want to change it to a 0x3. We have a little footnote here for how we want to change things around. The idea is that we actually do not want 15 distinct explosion colors. We actually only want 3 distinct explosion colors. There are reasons for that. Check the long video tutorial if you want to know the reasons for that. Anyways, so we're going to get the V16 value by shifting by 28 to look at the 4 most significant bits of the 32-bit binary tile value here. And then we are going to mask this value with a 0x7, which will eventually be a 0x3 for reasons, because we only want to look at a subset of these bits to figure out what the explosion color is, and the higher bits of the V16 are actually going to be damage bits. So we're going to split up the V16 into an FX section in the lower bits and a damage bit section in the higher bits. But for now, that's not quite implemented. We're going to use this same lookup table. This lookup table is eventually going to change because I realize we shouldn't be using this. And we're going to use this V16 to get this hex color out. Okay, so in render collected binary tiles, down in the Fada rendering section, we have removed the hard-coded palette, and we're going to use the new color. So if the binary bit for our Fada tile design is set, then we're going to extract the RGB from this 32-bit color and normalize it into a float color. If the bit is not set in our 9x9 graphic, we're going to just use black, and then we were going to opacity mix. We decided that was a bad idea, so we're just going to directly assign float Fada to the output frag color, and that is fucking it. If you want a longer explanation, go here. You are on the fast playlist. Like and subscribe.